You're listening to AI PRISM from Seoul Economic Daily.
Samsung just built a board-level command center for a market it thinks could be worth 380 trillion won by 2035. SK Innovation is pulling 900 billion won out of China to fund its energy bet. Korea Zinc is heading back into a boardroom vote. 3 moves this week, all requiring a strategic decision at the top. It's Wednesday, July 22nd. Let's look at a business story shaping corporate Korea. Samsung Electronics created a new Robotics Experience division, reporting directly to its DX division head, bypassing the standard business unit structure. The move consolidates hardware, AI, and software teams that had been scattered across the company. SK Innovation separately moved to recover cash reserves held in its China holding company to fund domestic energy investment. Here's what the numbers show. Samsung's new robotics unit targets a global robot market projected to grow from $59.7 billion this year to $257.5 billion, about 380 trillion won by 2035. SK Innovation will draw 900 billion won from SK China through a capital reduction, with SK Hynix, SK Inc., and SK Telecom each gaining 5 to 10 percentage points of SK China equity in return. Korea Zinc set September 9th for an extraordinary shareholders meeting to elect 4 new directors and an auditor, resuming its board fight with MBK Partners and Youngpeng. Samsung's robotics arm plans a 60 trillion won industrial cluster in the southeastern region, alongside a data factory at its Gumi plant. So what does this mean for board-level strategy this quarter? Earlier, we said all 3 moves need a decision at the top. Here's what that actually means for you. Samsung's direct report structure signals it expects fast M&A moves in robotics next. SK Innovation's cash call strengthens its energy unit's role in SK's broader AI power supply chain. Korea Zinc's board vote in September will determine which side controls governance heading into 2027. That's today's AI PRISM. CEOs. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI PRISM is a WAN-IFRA award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.
You've been listening to AI PRISM from Seoul Economic Daily.